One of the biggest challenges that I face as a projector in business, and something that regularly comes up in coaching sessions when I'm supporting my clients, is the idea of making money in a projector-friendly way. Over time, a lot of people have expressed their curiosity around how I run my business, how I make money, and I thought today I would answer those questions for you. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my current income streams. One, because I enjoy watching these videos, especially when I was first setting up my business. I was curious to see how other people were doing things and what was possible. And two, hopefully to give you some ideas and inspiration as to what can be done in a very projector-friendly way. The way that I make money are by no means the only ways that you can make money as a projector. They very much pertain to my career choices, my skills, and what I enjoy. But I hope you'll enjoy seeing how I've set up my business so far. And I do say my current income streams because I'm constantly refining and what I like to call projectifying my business. I try things out. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. And when they don't work, I am not shy of letting them go and continuing a process of always focusing my energy where it makes the most sense and where it's most enjoyable for me. So at present, in March 2026, these are the 5 different ways that I currently make money in my business. So income stream number 1, this is the most robust way that I make money in my business. It's my bread and butter. It's what I've been doing for a very, very long time, and that is coaching. My background is in psychology. I also studied personal performance coaching and NLP, which is neuro-linguistic programming, and I was doing that for a very long time. So I've been a coach for over 15 years. Then a few years ago, when I came across human design and I fell in love with it, discovered I'm a projector, I decided to train in becoming a human design reader. And over time, I started to introduce my human design knowledge and skills into my one-to-one coaching. And surprisingly, at the time, people started to respond to it really, really well. So much so that in recent years, human design has almost taken over my coaching practice, in the sense that most people find me because of human design and then decide to go in deeper with one of my coaching packages. But essentially, what I do is I blend all of my knowledge, all of my experience, all of my skills to support clients to achieve their version of success, whatever that may be, in the most aligned and joyful and supportive way possible. Over the years, I've worked with hundreds of clients who have come from all walks of life, who have had different priorities, different goals, different interests, but I do naturally tend to attract specifically women in business or women who would like to start a business. As of January 2026, so this is very recent, I decided to further specialize in supporting and working with projectors only. This was a decision and a progression that felt very natural, very organic, simply because when I looked at most of the clients I worked with in 2025, the large percentage of those were projectors. So most of the invitations I receive are from projectors who are looking for guidance that feels resonant, that feels supportive, and really most of the time people are looking for someone who understands what it's like to be a projector and to move through that journey of deconditioning from how they think things should be, and creating structure and boundaries that are very supportive of actually living and showing up as a projector. This income stream works really, really well for me because I'm able to focus on quality rather than quantity. I work with a limited number of clients. I have very strict boundaries as to how many people I actually take on at any given time. I support clients very, very deeply. We tend to work together for a period of either 3 or 6 months, but I have some clients who have been with me for over 2 years, and it's such a joy because over time what we're focusing on and what I'm supporting them with evolves just as their lives or businesses evolve. So yeah, one-to-one coaching and / mentoring, now that I'm specifically focusing on supporting projectors, is my main income stream. By the way, if you're watching this and you're an aspiring coach, or you're just nosy as to what it's like to run a business as a coach and you'd like me to make another video specifically on that, then I'd be happy to do so. Just let me know in the comments. My second income streams are human design readings. Whereas my one-to-one coaching packages unfold over a period of 3 to 6 months and blend human design with coaching and support with deconditioning and strategic work, especially when it comes to working with business owners, my one-to-one readings focus on your human design chart. So the way that these work is that I prepare someone's chart ahead of time, and then we get on a call for 90 minutes. And what I do is that I take you through your chart, explaining everything to you in a way that is easy to understand, and so that you can actually go away and implement those insights. Something that early on I recognized when I was learning about human design was that unless you're trained as a human design reader, it can be very overwhelming. You don't really know what to look at. You don't really know what to prioritize. You don't really know which aspects of your chart are the most important for you to lean into at first. And a confused mind doesn't take action. So I love doing the human design readings. I love introducing people to human design, but more so I love to help people actually understand their design and not just learn about what they are. Because yes, learning about your chart is fun and it's interesting and there's a lot there that you can unpack, but understanding your design and then being able to live your design is where the magic truly happens. And I feel very honored to hold space in those sessions. People often feel extremely seen and validated in their experiences. There are tears of joy, there are tears of recognition, and I really love doing them. Again, in the past, I was doing human design readings for all energy types. Since January and since niching down in supporting projectors, I now specifically do human design readings for projectors. And it's really fun because I can go even deeper with projectors and I can really use my own personal experiences when it's relevant and when it's valuable for me to do so, to help people better understand with practical examples what it can be like to live or work in alignment as a projector. Not saying that I'm perfect, not saying that I am the role model for projectors, but if I can offer guidance through what I've learned and the things that I've discovered through my own journey, then I'm always happy to do that. My next income stream are my human design reports. This is my first passive income stream on the list. And one of the reasons I wanted to add these to my offerings was because I realized when I looked at my services suite, when I looked at my product suite, that at the time, everything was very much based on me showing up and guiding. Every single time I was working with clients, I would need to be present, physically present. And as I've gone through a process of projectifying my business, I was really mindful of wanting something where I could still guide and offer value, but not have to constantly show up. I also wanted to alleviate any pressure on my one-to-one services so that I didn't feel the need to take on more clients than I was energetically able to comfortably and joyfully hold space for. So I looked at my options and I realized that, especially with the human design readings, although I love doing them and it's so special to actually have that one-on-one conversation with someone, what I recognized as well was that in some ways I was repeating the knowledge that I had over and over again. So I thought, okay, why don't I capture all of this knowledge and automate it so that if people want a in-person reading, of course I still offer those, but if they just want the information, then at least there's something there that they can access. So I spent a good, I think, 4 to 6 months probably setting all of these up, because these reports are completely personalized. They are based on your specific chart with your birth details, meaning that I had to essentially create every possible combination of a design. And once I had written out all of that content, then I had to set it up and automate it all so that when someone enters their birth details, the system just pulls the relevant pages for them. And so everything they receive is personalized and is relevant to them. They're not just reading random human design information. It's essentially a report about you, about what makes you you, about your energy, about how you're designed to work, about how you're designed to make decisions. So I'm very proud of myself for having taken the time to create these reports. I'm currently selling 2 reports. One is called the Human Design Codex, and it essentially decodes your personal chart. And one is called the Business Talents Blueprint. And this specifically looks at your chart through the lens of work and business. And this income stream is the income stream that gave me the experience that many of us desire and dream of waking up in the morning, having sales. So things selling in your sleep. And it's amazing because honestly, as a projector, I've captured my wisdom, and now that I've been able to automate it, it's a brilliant way for me to serve, but also selfishly, it's a brilliant way for me to supplement my income and have an impact without having to constantly use my energy. So the extra work during those months was definitely worth it. And present Veronica is very thankful to past Veronica for having done that. Okay, next, and this is again a passive income stream, and it's the newest income stream to my list, is my Projector 101 course. The Projector 101 course is so valuable and is so helpful. I've literally created lessons that take a projector through what it means to be a projector, and not just the theory of this is what projector is, but actually what does that look like when you're in conversations with people, when you're working, when you show up in your relationships? What does it look like when you have to make decisions? People can just buy the course, go at their own pace. And I've also included 4 bonus bonus masterclasses that projectors find really helpful. And we're talking things like visibility, self-recognition, time management for projectors. It's doing well. It's very new. I introduced it in January, so I will see when I do my kind of review at the end of the year how that's going. But that is my current 4th income stream. And last but not least, my 5th income stream is actually YouTube. Now, I'm not making very much on YouTube at all. I'm telling you, it's like $100 a month at the moment, but it's still additional income that's coming through, and a lot of my clients actually find me through YouTube, so it's a nice little bonus. So these 5 are my current and consistent income streams. What I haven't included in this list are things I would call ad hoc income streams. For example, sometimes I will be invited to be a guest coach or to host a workshop in other people's containers. These tend to be one-off contracts and not something that I rely on. They've always come through quite organically, where people know of me or they have discovered me somehow. They liked my work or they liked my approach, and then they invite me. Sometimes I've said yes, sometimes I've said no, because not every invitation is aligned, as I always like to remind you guys. But yes, sometimes that's also a way that I make money. There are some things I would like to add maybe to this list in the future. I do have some kind of pipeline dreams or pipeline goals or intentions, whatever we want to call them, of things I would like to try in the future. But for now, this is how I make money. To be completely honest, younger me would not believe that I have been running my business for years and that I make money from doing something that I absolutely love. I've also had to work through guilt for making money doing something I actually enjoy, because we grow up in a world that tells you that work should suck and you should hate your job. And I'm happy to report that that is not the case. And I'm also happy to report that as a projector, there is nothing you cannot do. You just need to adjust your approach so that it's projector friendly. Anyways, I hope this was helpful. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to ask in the comments. I'm just going to caveat with saying I'm not going to share my actual numbers. I know that might be annoying for some people. I don't think it actually helps. I think that just satisfies people's curiosity. What I can say is that I am financially comfortable and happy and have everything I need and want. So take from that what you will. I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you here in the next one. Bye guys.